to my channel. Today I will be building a $1,000 PC for editing and gaming. The first thing you have to do is make sure everything's out of the box, which will happen now. I've connected the power supply just to make sure it works, and this first boot, and the fans are spinning. Now that you have your motherboard out, you might want to get some other things out, for example your I/O shield and some SATA cables, just to make sure you have the stuff now and don't have to get them later, because if you forget the I/O shield, you're gonna have a bad time. Things first, get your CPU out of its clamp. This clamp helps protect the CPU during shipping and otherwise while it's not being used. Also, it includes a Ryzen 5 sticker. This is the Ryzen 5 2600X overclock, non-overclocked yet. First things off, find the triangle from your motherboard socket. Mine is right here. Then find the triangle located on your CPU, which is also right here. After that, all you have to do is line them up, and install. No force needed. Just give it a little wiggle just to make sure it's alright and snug. And then lift the rotation arm down back to its original position. And the CPU has been installed. I chose 16 gigs of Trident C RGB RAM for my system because they look good and they have RGB. To install a RAM, locate the first, the second, and the fourth DIMM slot, and then they're keyed, so you have to be careful that they only go one way. Just gently pull down until you hear a little crack, and then gently pull down until you hear a little crack, and then one RAM is installed. Until the next one, just rinse and repeat. Voila! Next is the installation of a Master Liquid ML240 to cool off the CPU while it works. Today we'll be working in the NZX3 S240 Elite, and well, I'm going to show you guys a little trick I learned how to do by magic, and it's that I can install the cooler by simply just doing this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now it is time to install the motherboard, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3. Third time the charm. 1, 2, Hey guys, Cosmic Chaos here. So I forgot to record the outro. Yeah. Well, here's the PC at its final state. I would just like to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment for your suggestions. And I will see you on the next video. Peace out.